Hey everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I've got these are called True Wireless Earbuds. It's the IT510 is the model number of it. And you can see here some information on the back of what it is, if that means anything to anybody. I guess they're comfortable, auto connect. That's what it says here on the side, so that's how you know that it's gonna be good. Ha ha ha. And then here's some other information. But let's check these things out. I took the plastic off already, so we're kind of, we're ahead of the game. Oops. And then it slides open like this. And then the instructions are in here. So this is the instruction manual in English. So there, that means something you can zoom in if you need help with anything. But I kind of looked at it before and it's very simple to do these. I looked them up. So let's open this up if I can get them out of here. Okay, so there they come out. And then in this little box up here, let's see, looks like it's gonna have the wire and extra earbuds. So yeah, those are the extra little rubber earbud thingies and the wires. That's it. See, nothing else. And then this one here, looks like the wire is USB to USB-C, so it's gonna be USB-C charging. So and I have my iPad here, so if I can get it to connect, there we go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into my Bluetooth settings, and I'm kind of familiar with this, like the way it works is it's off now. If I can do this, now the case is kind of on to display the information about it. So I don't know if you saw, it says 97%, so it's 97% charged, I guess there. And then there's the little earpieces with the lights on, which I think means that it's charging. Yeah, you can see the little things are moving here. I don't know if you can. Can you see these are moving up? So that means it's charging there, and then the lights are. So, okay. And then, so I guess it had enough battery power, it came with it to just be charged. And then I think when we take them out, so I take them out of the case, and that's when on my iPad, it'll show up that they are eligible to be paired. I click them, here you can see, well, it just did, it connected already, but you can see my IP510 is connected. So that's it, so now they're connected. So let's see if we can put them in our ears. And, oh, it's, by the nature of putting these in, these make a good seal in your ears. I can't hear anything. So let me see. Man, I'm getting all these messages about the Apple Pencil. Okay, but here we go. So let's go into YouTube. And I will just hit play. And it's currently an ad, but wow. Okay, if I have it just kind of barely balancing so it's open, it's a little teeny like, but then when I get it sealed on there, it's very, is that bass? That it's got a very good sound. Yeah, very good. I wish you guys could hear it, but it's very cool. So, and the way it works is they're on when they're unplugged. There's no buttons or switches or anything like that on there. You got it, so now I'm connected. The only way to really disconnect it is either to go into your computer and disconnect it, or if I put them back on my charger, then I will be back to disconnected, and then the sound is gonna, well, it paused my video, but the sound will start coming back out of my iPad. So that's kind of it. So when they're open and out, they are connected, and when they're back in, they're off. So that's it's kind of cool because it automatically connects them. You don't have to really mess with them or anything like that. I think that's similar to AirPods, I guess. AirPods, when you put them in, it recognizes it. I don't know if it's just being out of the case, but these ones here, as soon as they're out of the case, they are connected. So there you go. So that's it. So it's very cool. So these are the IT510 headphones, and I'm gonna give these things a thumbs up. They sounded really good. Hopefully the batteries will last a long time and everything too. Let you know how it goes. I use my AirPods mostly, so this will be just a backup pair that I'll probably just keep in my travel bag so I won't ever forget them on an airplane again like I've done many times. But there we go. So that's it, thumbs up. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.